In our company, we found out that planning team trips can be very challenging. Organization just eats so much time. Then you have to find a suitable venue, you keep inquiring different details, and then there are the dates. You absolutely need to synchronize it all. Last year, it took us days to get it all done. Anyway, this year we're doing it better, faster with NextRetreat.
NextRetreat offers an all-in-one solution for organizing offsites, company retreats, and remote team meetups. We specialize in identifying the perfect destination, securing accommodations and workspaces, and assisting with organizing logistics such as airport transportation and engaging activities. With over 10 years of experience and advanced in-house technology, we've refined the planning process to be efficient and stress-free, saving you precious time and money. Each team trip is tailor-made to meet your specific needs and requirements. Let us handle the details so you can focus on achieving your goals and enjoying valuable time with your team.
So, where are we going next?